Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how to record slow-mo videos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the camera app, and then at the bottom you should see 4 options: portrait, photo, video, and more. You want to tap on more. Then in this section you want to select slow motion like that. Once you've selected slow motion, you can now start taking your slow-mo videos. So tap on the record button to start recording and do whatever it is that you want as you're recording. Then once you're done, just tap on the stop button to stop recording. So now when you go to open the video in the camera roll, you'll notice it playing in slow motion. So now if you want to adjust the speed of the slow motion, what you want to do is tap on the edit button here. Then in the editing menu, you should see this video timeline, and you can see the current speed of both sections of the video. So if you want to drag this to select a part of the video, and then once you've selected it, you can now decide how fast or how slow you want it to go. Then when you play the video like that, you should see it's going faster, but if I increase the speed, it will go back to its normal slow motion time. So it's up to you to decide if you want to customize like that or not. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.